Hello everyone, my name is Colleen Howard. I am the director of the Schaumburg location. I'm at home right now and I just want to do a fun activity that you can do in your own home. I actually picked these flowers from our garden and we're going to do the project with them. So if you guys have any white flowers, you're going to go grab them. It's best if you cut the stem to kind of keep them fresh. It'll work better. And then you just take some food coloring and you're going to do a couple drops into the water. So 1, 2, 3. So I did pink in this water.
Pinky.
Yeah, pink. And also this is a great activity for the little ones to help with their colors. Did you want to help?
Yeah.
Okay. This is my daughter. She said she didn't want to be part of it, but I guess she does now. Oh, you're going to use your fine motor skills to drop it in there? Here, let me help you. You're going to squeeze, squeeze, and drop. Squeeze and drop. So this one is yellow. You want to do more?
Purple.
You want to do purple? Well, if you add red and blue, Ruthie, you make purple. So add that on.
Help.
You want help? Okay. So friends, at home, what you can do is drop it in there, and this is a fun experiment to kind of observe every day to see what happens to the flower with the water. Will it change the color of the flower, or will it stay the same? We'll see you soon. See you guys.